Writing is not just a passion, it can also be a source of income. As a freelance writer, you can earn money by taking paid writing jobs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to make a living writing online. Hey folks! Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Techotics channel. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the 6 easy ways to make at least $300 a day and turn your passion of writing into a full-time business. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos from our channel. With that being said, let us get started by unlocking the secrets of making quickest and the easiest $300 a day by taking simple writing jobs. Where to find paid writing jobs? The internet has made it easier than ever to find freelance writing opportunities. Here are a few places to consider. ProBlogger Job Board. ProBlogger is a well-known blog that offers freelance writing job listings. Paid online writing jobs. Be it writing short Facebook ads which makes you $320 per day or video scripts for TikToker and make $300 per day. Check out the link in the description below. Freelance writing jobs. This website is dedicated to freelance writing opportunities, including blogging, copywriting, and more. Upwork. Upwork is a platform that connects freelancers with clients from all over the world. You can apply for writing jobs, including blog writing, copywriting, and more. Cantina. Cantina is a membership-based site that offers a range of freelance writing jobs, including blog writing, copywriting, and more. Textbroker. Textbroker is a platform that pays writers to create articles for clients. You can write about a variety of topics and earn money based on your writing skills. Tips for success. Build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your calling card as a freelance writer. Make sure it showcases your writing skills and demonstrates your expertise in the areas you write about. Network with other writers. Connecting with other freelance writers can be a great way to find new clients and get advice on how to succeed as a freelancer. Stay organized. Managing your time and keeping track of your writing assignments is key to success as a freelance writer. Make sure you have a system in place to keep track of deadlines, invoices, and payments. Be professional. Treat your writing job as a business. Respond promptly to clients, meet deadlines, and deliver high-quality work. Set competitive rates. Know what the market rate is for the type of writing you do and set your rates accordingly. Be competitive, but don't undervalue your work. In conclusion, freelance writing is a great way to earn money from home. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to make a living as a freelance writer. With hard work and determination, you can turn your writing skills into a successful and lucrative career. So what are you waiting for? Try out these proven strategies and start earning more money today. Comment below if you have any questions or need more tips on how to make money online.